Well, we picked up some trail damage on our last ride down there in southeast Ohio. A small branch got jammed up through the side here and busted the top off the evap canister. So we got a new evap canister, and I'm going to try to put a little more protection around that side to prevent it from happening again in the future. So, yep, good times. Got the canister off. As you can see, this top piece busted off. So yeah, it's been a real pain in the ass. I thought she'd be able to drive it okay until I could get a new one, since they were on back order, no ETA from the dealership. But she went to go get gas, and it was taking like 5 minutes to get a gallon of gas in there because it kept wanting to click off like it was full. So yeah, these evap canisters can cause you a headache. Then we started having misfiring issues, rough idling. So yeah, I'm hoping this fixes everything. So anyhow, I guess this goes in there like that. And I got some scrap metal, and I was going to overlap it and bolt it on, but pretty much got to take this whole thing down to get to it anyway, so I'm just going to weld this on the side of it, and hopefully that will prevent another stick from getting jammed up in there. Alright, got it in there. Got it painted up. I found just enough spray paint. Scraping the barrel on spray paints. So, I'm not real concerned with this top piece, whatever it is. It doesn't snug down near as tight as the OEM one. This is a Duralast from AutoZone. We could not find an OEM one. I called, I don't know how many dealerships, had them search their area, nothing. Even called a few dealerships out in Indiana because the wife was out there last week at work. So everybody said the same thing. They have no idea when they're coming in. They're all on back order. There's like, I think one guy said like almost 500 pieces on back order, from what his system said. So apparently there's a few people that need these, and yeah, I mean, Quadratrack sells them. They were out of stock. Everywhere online was out of stock. I kind of gave up waiting. I was just going to wait for one to come in from the dealership, and then all of a sudden the wife found one at an AutoZone somewhere here in Ohio, so that's what we went with. So we'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully a while. Sounds like the wife's home. Oh, great. Battery's dead. Nice.
Did you eat or are you waiting for me?
No, I was waiting on you to eat lunch.
Okay.
I'm almost done.
Well, did you fix it?
Well, I gotta wait for that clip to deliver tomorrow.
I have a message for Jill to meet us Wednesday night so we can celebrate Christmas. That's about all I got into.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.